Hello world, this is Darren Martineau from Master Magic University, and in this video I'm going to talk about my new product here, which I call New Master Close-Up Magic Volume 3. So this is an incredible new magic product. It's a Master Magic course in and of itself. It's a huge product. You're going to learn over 500 amazing pro magic routines. A lot of them are exclusive originals. So what it includes is 55 instructional magic videos and 8 bonus magic books that we're going to go over right now. So the first thing you're going to learn is my routine called the Six Senses card routine. This is my multiple card locations. Absolutely phenomenal. Next one is one of the most beautiful color changes in all magic, the Startling Color Change by Jerry Andrus. Next one is New Angel Aces. This is one I'm most proud of. It's my version of the McDonald's Aces Supercharged. This is brand new. Next one is a variation of a Bill Goodwin effect. I call it another case of mistaken identity, and it's an incredible transposition effect using the card box. Next, I have new Backfire Aces assembly. This was inspired by Finally Unassembled by my mentor Alan Ackerman. I have many versions of this. This is an incredible ace assembly on here. Next, we have the visual jumping rubber band. This has been used by Dan Harlan. It's been ripped off by many magicians. But I put this on here. This is a very visual jumping rubber band effect while the spectator holds your fingers. They jump from, it's just so visual, you have to see it. You can watch a demo on here. I have a demo of not everything, but I have a demo of a lot of stuff on here. Okay, next we have my rubber band routine. This is my version of Crazy Man handcuffs, and I've got some absolutely incredible linking it on, linking it off, and much, much more. It starts off with one rubber band where you split it into two, then you go into the routine, and it's just such an incredible routine. I made this up many years ago. Next, I have the ring penetration and rubber band with broken rubber stem. This ring penetration on the rubber band with a broken and restored rubber band. This one is inspired by a Bill Kalush effect. This is a new handling of that. Next, I have a book test. It's always good to add mentalism into the mix. Next, I have some advanced card controls on here. Then I have an effect called Color Divination by Charles T. Jordan. This is an incredible double prediction effect, and it uses the pass. So the next thing I teach you is the real work tipped on the pass. I learned the pass from Jeff Latta, Chris Kenner, and many other magicians, including an incredible tip I show on here from Louis Simonoff that I've never seen anyone else do this exact tip, along with my own tips. So I teach the real work on the pass. And that is to go with the color divination and anytime you need to use a pass. Next effect is called Deadlier Than the Mail. This is a Jeff Latta effect, but I have my touches on that, my handling, my improved handling on that. And that's a beautiful effect. Next, I have an old classic, The Dead Man's Hand, about Wild Bill Hickok. It's a little story effect. It's a little story gambling effect created by Henry Christ. And there are many versions of that, but this one is one of my favorite self-working gambling routines. Next up is Double Take Aces, which is an incredible 4-ace production with a silly twist ending. Next is Fan Color Change 1 and Fan Color Change 2. Okay, and these are both very, very beautiful. One is on the table and one is in the hands, depending on your environment. Next, I have my original, the Shadow Quadruple Color Change, and this is a super beautiful, you can do it from kings to aces, you can do it from selections, whatever you'd like to do, but it is one of the most visual quadruple color changes. Next, I have Identity Crisis and Card to Wallet. This is a great effect to add into your mix for a finale for a card routine. Next, one of my favorites is the Ace Cutting from Gene Hugard. And this is from Showstoppers. This is a real gem. And then I have my impromptu method of getting into that here off a shuffled deck. Very incredible. You can do it under challenge conditions, just like a John Scarney type of thing, but it's really incredible. Next, I have my version of the Dr. Daly's last trick I called Last Aces Variation. This is with 2 selections. This is a nice thing to put into the mix. when you have two selections. It's a nice silly twist ending. Next up is an effect created by my friend Michael Little and myself. It's called Magnum Opus Travelers, and it's based on the Open Travelers plot of Larry Jennings, and we have a really cool kicker ending on it with the travelers going to the pockets. So that is really awesome. Next, Matchbook Surprise. That is something that I created many, many years ago, and it's a signed card, and then you have a matchbook where the spectator holds on to it, and the matchbook actually changes itself into the signed selection. It's a really phenomenal effect. I created it many, many years ago. Other people have done it, but I had it way before them, so they do it different methods and stuff. My method here is better, I will say, because you can never copy an original. Next up is the Match Miracle. This is just a nice effect with a match, but it's really got some nice little touches on that. So that's good impromptu effects. Next, we have the new Super Visual 3-card Monty. And this is a combination of many ideas, and it's one of the most visual 3-card Monties. So you want to check that out. Then I have a parlor effect or stage effect, which is a new jumbo 3-card Monty, which at the end they all change to blank jumbo cards. Really cool. Next, I have a 3-coin click pass vanish using the muscle pass and then another idea, which is a new click pass using something else. So there's 2 different click passes on here. So you can use from multiple coin vanishes into any coin routine, put into the mix. Next, I have the teleporting coins routine, which features my one-handed Hang Ping Chen move, which I think is revolutionary coin move. Next up, I have new Conus Aces. This is a classic. I've fixed it up. The Conus Aces is from the Royal Road to Card Magic and much more, but this is one of my favorite effects, and I've taken it to the next level here. Next, we have a new Matrix routine. This Matrix is got an idea from Ed Marlowe where it puts you way ahead, and I also have some incredible displays in there from Ken Krenzel and a whole bunch of sleights. It's a very advanced Matrix, and it's really, I show you how to kick up your Matrix routine with the coins and the cards. Next, I have a new Torn Corner to Nest of Boxes and a Torn Restored card routine finale. This is one I'm most proud of. This is the Torn Corner to Anywhere is a great thing in and of itself, but what I do is restore it at the end. I've really taken it to the next level here, guys. Next up, I have New Twisting Finale, and this is I've got 2 variations on here, and this is an incredible version of the Twists and the Aces with multiple kicker endings. And with the second variation, you change it to all blanks. It's absolutely phenomenal, and so this is great. New Twisting Finale. Next, I have one of my old classics, which is the Optical Aces. It was called the Ambitious Card Explosion production, which I gave to Lee Asher. But this is my original and on here, which is a 1 at a time ace vanish and all at once 4 ace production. Very beautiful. Next up, I have the new Quadruple Coincidence, which is an effect inspired by a Charles T. Jordan. It's a really incredible mental card mystery. Next up, I have something from my mentor and his mentor, from Ed Marlowe and Alan Eckman, which is a repeat signed card to pocket. And this is really a great principle you can use to do an impossible repeat signed card to pocket that you can put into the mix. Next up is an old classic called Try This for Size, which is an incredible any card, any number type of plot, but it has behind the back with a glimpse and much more. And this is created by Richard Himber. Next up, I have something I'm most proud of, and this is one of my originals. I call it the well, this is the Rising Card 6 on Gaff Methods, but I mean the one after that. The Rising Card art is one of my originals, and it's where you draw a picture on the card. It's based off of the Martin Lewis card rise, but I do it up close, and I have a really incredible original way to do it, where I draw it on the card, and then I hand out the card at the end for a souvenir. And in the picture, it rises. Rising Card art. I'm really proud of this. Inspired from Martin Lewis, but done close up. Next is the Robin Hood card trick. This is a great story effect if you're putting into story magic. Next is one of my originals. I call it the Rosette 4 Aces production. And this is a really cool 1 at a time 4 ace production from the little Rosette circle fan flourish. Next routine I have is called the Silver Morph routine. It's a coin routine, which is really, really incredible. And you can use it as an opener. You take a piece of tin foil and then you stretch it into a silver uh, pen, and then you change that into coins and a whole bunch more. It's really, really cool. And so that's called the Silver Morph coin routine. Next, I have the Revolutionary deck, and this is another thing I'm really proud of because it's a tossed out deck, but I do it with a deck switch so they can examine the deck at the beginning and at the end, and they can shuffle the deck. They can think of any card, and I can make that card. It's a card to anywhere. You can make that go to your hat, your pocket, your wallet. It's literally a thought of card to anywhere, and I call it the Revolutionary deck. And it's something I created for my magic shop, Master Magic Shop. Next, I have the Houdini card 2. This is an inspiration from an old card to Spectator's Pocket, which was created by Charles T. Jordan. What I've done is I've taken it to a different level. This is a variation of that. Next up is a classic. It's the coins through table, but it's the kangaroo coins. It's the one invented by Di Vernon, and this is a really awesome coin. It's one of the best coins through table. Next up, I have the Martin of Four of a Kind productions, number 1 and number 2. These are beautiful for any Four of a Kind productions. For the aces, 4 selections. You can modify it into a multiple selection routine. Just the productions alone are very, very beautiful. The next routine is called the New Vanishing Collectors, and this is my variation of a Ken Krenzel effect. But with the help of Alan Ackerman's optical rhythm count, which I love, we've taken this to the next level. Next up is the new Shrinking and Growing card, and this is my variation of a Roger Klaus effect that he had in his book Klaus in Concert, and this is a beautiful effect. Next up, we have the Impossible Visual Coin Vanish. What can I say about this? It's one of the best coin vanishes. It's totally visual. You don't have to close your hand. It visually vanishes. You can vanish it to glitter or just throw it in the air and it vanishes. The next up is a torn and restored card transposition. And no, it's not David Williamson's, but it is a variation of that. And this is a different method. This is really cool on here. Next up is the Sweet Bill transposition. This is another one of my originals I'm very proud of. And it involves a sugar packet, a bill, and some other things. I'll keep it mysterious over here. Then we go into our bonuses. You get 8 magic books. You get the Modern Coin Magic from J.B. Bobo, which has 236 amazing coin tricks, and you're going to learn 116 coin sleights. You'll learn all about the classics and the fundamentals of palming, sleeving coins, sleight of hand techniques, gaff coins, and much more. Next up is a Coin Magic by Jean Hugard. This is another lost gem. Then I have my Master Coin Magic, which I have a lot of my new original Coin Magic and coin sleights in there. You'll get that ebook as well as a bonus. So this is a massive amount of value. Then I have How to Develop Style in Magic, which has 7 chapters, as you can see here. Developing style, principles of magic structure, mistakes to avoid, and much, much more. Then I have a Magic Act checklist. This is good whether you're doing close-up, parlor, or stage. It's an incredible checklist. Then we have Professional Magic. I show you how to get shows, and I show you where to go look for these shows. Then we have the Surreal Illusion System, Creating Fine Art Magic. This book is really one of the keystones to my system because I really teach the primary principles of magic in here and what is the foundations of the system, the 10 master key elements. I have a checklist inside of here, many things about structure and symbology, character development, magic and meaning, direction of attention, on and on and on. So the final bonus, the 8th bonus book, is called This is Magic by Lauren Campbell. And this is an incredible, have over 30 incredible original routines. Comedy magic, you're going to learn close-up, parlor magic, and even stage magic, and even mentalism. So with this whole course here, you're going to get over 500 amazing pro magic routines, including many of my originals and much more, plus the 8 bonus books. So this is valued at well over $100. Probably more like $200 when you add everything up. But it's only $39.99, and you can get access to this. And this is, I'm also going to have if you get all 3 volumes, I'm going to have another deal that I'll show in another video. But this is for volume 3 here. It's $39.99. So click on the link and get this. This is New Master Close-Up Magic Volume 3. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to get a free Master Magic course and get free magic tutorials, join my Master Magic University newsletter now. Click the link in the description and I'll get that to you straight away. Thank you very much and keep it surreal.